Hi, my friends. Captain Jason Morton here. I'm going to show you this, and people are always asking me what I keep these containers for. This one is a oil container for cooking oil, and what I use it for is to put all my screws. Once I've collected enough screws and the bin and bucket is full of screws, I transfer all of them. And even when I oil my screws, this is how I oil them also. So, and I don't care if some of them fell. I'll pick them up. That ain't no big deal. But see all the oil in the inside the container? Because that's how I oil them also. But once I've got the container so full, I put them into these containers. And then I put them in the shed till I need them, or whatever the case may be. Separate them. See, I just keep taking it until it all goes down. And eventually it'll all fall in there. Alright, wait.